not super great.
Have you slept?
I don't know. A little, maybe.
Okay, go take a nap.
I can't.
Are you freaking out?
I don't know. I don't even know.
Look at me. I have him.
Okay.
I have him. I will not let anything happen to him.
Are you sure you want to?
Babe, I am good. I am cuddling my sweet nephew so that my sweet best friend can get the sleep she needs.
Okay. But if it gets too overwhelming.
Nothing about this overwhelms me at all.
Okay.
All that you need to do right now is go get some sleep so that you don't have a nervous breakdown.
I'm really close.
I know you are. You look like shit. Which is how I know it's really bad, because how can such a beautiful person look so terrible?
I haven't showered.
I can smell that. Want to take a shower before you lay down?
I don't remember how.
That's the delirium talking. Go lay down and it'll all come back to you.
You're sure?
I have diapers and bottles and Netflix and nothing else on my agenda.
I love you.
I love you too. Go sleep. And then when you wake up, take a shower.